What's in my July Seoul Beauty Club box? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, and today I am going to do my July Seoul Beauty Club unboxing. I did my June unboxing on Instagram, and now I want to do this in a full format video so you guys get ample time to catch it, one, in your algorithm, and to take advantage of this month's offer. So Seoul Beauty Club is genuine Korean beauty products from Korea, $59, 5 to 8 full-size products, and I have a discount code. The reason a club like this and a source for products like this is important is because there are a lot of counterfeit K-beauty products out there. We have seen such a huge rise in popularity and demand for K-beauty. Skincare, oh my gosh, and we know their sunscreens are fabulous. However, what that does is when you go through a third-party seller, you risk counterfeit products, expired products. Yeah, so here we go. Let's dig in. I'm so excited. There is some slight variation, so maybe this box won't be as exact as your box, and there are some ways to customize it. You can, there's your profile and, you know, things that usually go for any kind of subscription service, especially for skincare. Full sizes. Full sizes. And I actually don't know what's in here. Amuse Vegan Soybean Hand Cream. Oh my goodness, full of beans. It's energizing. Not tested on animals, to use, apply all over hands. Okay. That is a vegan brand, hand cream. I'm gonna check it out in just a second. This is called Glypho Pink Pepper Lip Plumper. I'm scared. New lip, new me. Pink pepper? It's cute. I think it is a shade of pink. I am scared, not gonna lie. Yulmu Skin Clean Mask, a wash-off mask with yulmu seed and kaolin to cool skin, purify pores, and smooth it, from Returnity. Also, what I enjoy are the fact that these products on their packaging do have instructions and ingredient lists in English. Sometimes that can be a problem too, but that doesn't necessarily make it bad if the, you know, but I do appreciate that. Okay, what? Not Seaback. One shot Cape Aloe Calming Toner, single ingredient, aloe ferox leaf extract. This is extracted from wild aloe in South Africa, provides nutrients, and has moisturizing and calming effect. Slowly but surely discover Deponde Signature Origin 100 Mask. Trentella Formosus for something extract. Probably something very soothing and very hydrating and great for aging skin. That's my guess. This one, oh, this is cute. This is Ectowin cream. So Baronsic Ectowin cream, and it has like a little #1 rating in, it won an award. I don't know what Ectowin cream is. I'm gonna look it up. And I don't, ooh, zero fragrance, super soft and silky. Whatever that is, that felt really nice. And it's a big 6-ounce tube of this. I'm gonna put on the lip plumper first. How about that? The two things I'm not gonna do are the masks. I'm not gonna open this one just because it's one and done. And then this right here, the Skin Clean Mask, I will look at. So I'm going to jump in. Pink Pepper Lip Plumper. All right, I love a cooling Okay, so it's kind of a clear gel. It's actually, to me, it doesn't look pink. It looks kind of apricot. I'm just doing kind of a spot test. I smell a little bit of mint. Also kind of a little bit of a fruity scent. And I am feeling a sensation, you know, a menthol kind of heat cold. My top lip is really dry today and kind of irritated already. So I'm actually just gonna put this right there first and wait and see. While I do that, I'm going to look at the Yulmu Skin Clean Mask. I've never heard of Yulmu. Ooh, I like that. So this reminds me of a very, you know, familiar mask that has a kaolin base that is creamy, but it has some of the, these are not sharp particles. These are not like, you know, crushed shells or anything like that. These don't have a scratch sensation to them, but just to, you know, like, so it feels very, not just drawing like in a salve type way, but it also feels like it's got some, it's very creamy, it's very hydrating. It definitely has like a I can see how many skin types could be benefiting from this. So yeah, it's not just like clay mask that dries and there you go. I'm gonna leave that just a little on the back of my hand, see what comes of it if it dries. And then while I'm waiting on that, I am going to try this One Shot Cape Aloe. Extracted from, this has a calming effect, aloe ferrex, skin safety tested. Oh, this looks so exciting. Look at that. That is a very generous plastic bottle. Yep. It's definitely like a one ingredient. That is so exciting. Imagine that. It's just like you put this liquid aloe onto your face. That's amazing. And then I'm assuming maybe you put the Ecto-In cream over that and then you will not have any irritation whatsoever. Perfect if you've been outside. Maybe you were doing some gardening and you didn't reapply your sunblock and then all of a sudden you're feeling a little red, a little blotchy. That might be really helpful. I cannot tell any discomfort that's severe. Like there is nothing marked about this plumper that's frightening. I'm gonna do a little on right here and just see if I plump. I have a lot of lip plumper. Okay, now I feel it. Something about putting it on the top to meet with the bottom has totally changed. Okay, that's, yeah. It's peppery. I mean, capsaicin is what is usually used in lip plumpers to get that plump effect. It brings blood to the surface. It gets your circulation going. So that's what it's doing. It really isn't doing anything other than kind of a micro irritation. You know, when you think about what's making a lip plumper plump, it's hydrating to smooth and fill, and then it is kind of aggravating it so that your lips get bigger. All right, let's look at the bean hand cream. I love this. This is why we love K-Beauty, is because of packaging like this where it just has a lot of whimsy. I really think that that is something we love. It's got like a toothpaste cap, but then you can put this cute little, putting it on this hand. Again, no scent really, maybe a little vanilla. Yeah, which, love that. Sometimes I like a hand cream with a scent and sometimes I just want something neutral. Okay, I feel like there's a slight, just a slight kind of a green, something kind of fresh. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. My lips are hanging in there. I'm gonna rinse off my hand. The clay dried a little bit, but not like cracked, you know, not something kind of muddy and cracked, or I should say like mud. It doesn't look very clay-like, so I'm gonna be right back. My lips feel good. They do not feel irritated. My hand is super soft, both of them, so soft. And this was, I cannot wait to just slap on that aloe essence tonight. Not see back. Yes. Well, there we are, Soul Beauty Club. Use my code Rebecca10. And yeah, look at that. I mean, right? You don't have to worry about import tariff. You don't have to worry about knockoffs, none of that. So check out my link. I'll list everything in the description box. This was gifted to me. I am not paid to make this video. Thank you, Soul Beauty Club, for sending this to me. And yeah, that was fun. And you know what? If you're not into unboxings and buying, you know, monthly boxes, that's fine. That's fine. Check out my playlist for lots of things. Well, thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope this was fun. And if you haven't yet, I really hope you can hit that subscribe button, hang out with me more often, and I'll see you next time. Bye.